Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to clean out my refrigerator. No particular reason. It was just, as you guys seen, it is a must. It was actually one of my top of my list that I really needed to do. In case you have a freezer like mine that is just, it over freezes and it accumulates ice and water and it just gets really frozen in there. So I find it easier if you throw in hot water before you actually go back in with your cleaning products. Okay, so I know I mentioned this a lot, but nothing's changed with me. I always feel much better um, leaving the house knowing my house is clean, especially at least my living room and my kitchen. That way, when I come back home, it's just easier for me to focus on other things rather than a dirty living room or a kitchen. Showing you a mini Walmart haul. Now, this is not my grocery order. This is actually a couple of things that I completely forgot, or it's just a couple of more things that I also wanted to do with the kids for spring break. It's just like cupcakes and cakes, and we want to make some Rice Krispie treats and things like that. So that's all what's here. Is just a couple of things that I ordered. I just thought maybe you would want to know what was inside my bag. I picked up some fresh bouquet flowers from Walmart. But before I add my fresh flowers into the vase, I'm just going to make sure the vase is clean and put in some fresh water. But before doing so as well, I saw that there was still good fresh flowers from the old flower bouquet. And I'm just going to throw out the dead and take off the leaves as well, because the leaves were a little bit feeling kind of grimy. So I'm just going to throw out the dead and keep in the new, and just have them just live a little bit longer, and then I will incorporate it with the new fresh flowers of bouquet. If I'm making any type of sense, you guys, I'm sorry. Alright, so here is just very easy to care for. You just follow the instructions on the packet, which is you just cut off the bottom of the stems and add them into your vase. But before doing so, you want to put in that nutrient powder into your water, and that makes it clean and clear. Excuse me. But I only use half of it, you guys, because I like to keep my water clean and fresh. So the other half I will clean it out like within a week, and just to make sure that they always have fresh, clean water. Alright, so now the fun begins. We are going to make some cupcakes, and we're gonna make them with some peeps. I thought these were so cute. I saw this on Pinterest, and I thought it would be a really fun, cool idea to do while the kids are on spring break. We're really more like Adriana because, you know, my boys are teenager and they're too cool for me. But so yeah, well, you're just gonna want to follow the instructions from your box, and then you'll see further on the video on how to put your candies into your cupcake, and of course it's the rest, it'll come easy. So I still had a lot of cake batter, so I'll be doing this 2 or 3 times just because I only have this small 6 cupcake maker. But so yeah, so I'll just be taking them out here and putting them into another plate. That way they can cool off, and while I continue to make the other cupcakes as well. One for you. And just grab a cupcake. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cut down the middle, like make a hole.
Like this?
Like go like this, look. Like this. Stab it in the middle. All the way in. Take it out. And then the same like that.
Like a circle?
Like this, look. Yeah, you have it right. You have it in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Go this way.
Okay.
And then go this way. Like that. And then just pull up. Take it out. You can eat that.
Yay.
Take this out.
Yummy.
It's good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna add some
Sprinkles.
sprinkles. Put some in there. Oh, be careful.
I got a little bit too much. Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. Okay, so make sure you just put all that in there.
Mm-hmm. How many of those?
Yeah, we're gonna do all the cupcakes like that. Okay, so now we're gonna put frosting. Not with that spoon because you licked it.
Okay. Ooh. Thank you.
Oh, you know what? It would have been fine because that's your cupcake, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's fine, right?
Yeah. Get some frosting.
I wouldn't get too much.
That's fine. And then we're just gonna put it on there. We're gonna cover the whole
Cupcake.
like that.
So that we won't
It's
see.
easier if you do it like smoothly. Don't be so rough with it, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Like that. I don't like too much frosting, so it's up to you.
I like frosting.
Careful. Whoops. Careful.
And a big computer girl.
That's okay.
I know. But I do like getting messy. Right? Good frosting. I'll get another.
Okay. And then once you have your frosting,
Ooh, so that's how we're gonna do it?
yeah, and then just put it back out there. Kind of looks like they're in the water, right?
Yeah, so cool.
Okay, so we're gonna do all of them like that, okay?
Okay. Mine looks weird. I'm trying my best though.
I told you, you gotta be
Gentle.
smooth with it. Like, easy. Pour it on there like that. There we go. See?
Oh.
Put your pea.
Yep. What do?
And that's it.
So cute. I like cakes. They're good.
Alright, so we're just gonna finish making our cupcakes, and I just wanted to say that this was so much fun to do with Adriana, and to me it's a very priceless moment, as well as I get to see her face expression, and I just love the idea that she was actually eating it more than creating or making her own cupcake. But I don't know, I just love these moments, and I highly recommend that you try it with your little one. And but so yeah, so that is pretty much it of this video. Besides, I ended up a little clip of cleaning our mess at the end of this video, and that is pretty much it. So I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. Thanks, guys.